spirit of exploration has no bounds, no fixed coordinates. It's a pulse that first carried us to the rugged north, then to the expansive west, and now it's that pulse that has brought us here to the enigmatic, the beautiful east. Welcome back to Uncharted. With freezing temperatures forecasted ahead, we made sure the Yesti Adventure was fully serviced and filled with Motul fully synthetic engine oil recommended by and made for Java Yesti motorcycles. This checkup was critical because if Zanskar was a challenge, this will be on another level. The challenge begins there. Sela Pass. The locals warn me this is not just any other road through the mountains. It's narrow, it's going to be very cold at the top, and on the way there, you climb altitude very, very quickly. But Sela's challenge didn't begin today.
Let's go. Hard work, talking plenty dedication. I ain't never stop because I'm on some elevation. Showing what I got, yeah, homie, I've been waiting. And right now, I feel a little impatient.
Rifleman Jaswant Singh Rawat faced a daunting challenge as he defended multiple posts supported only by his lover Sela and her sister Noora. Together, they held their ground against hundreds of Chinese soldiers for 3 days, allowing the Indian Army to retreat and regroup. It might not be as treacherous today, but the snow and muck on Sela Pass had settled on the chain. So before I continued my journey, it got the helping hand of some lube. And with that, I rode on, against the hostile conditions. But tough roads often lead to beautiful destinations. And this pass is named to honor her courage.
I am a poor wayfaring stranger. I'm traveling through this world of...
Perspective is a wonderful thing. Riding a motorcycle at 14,000 feet in these icy conditions is a challenge. But these tales, these legends tell you about the impossible adversity and extraordinary courage that these souls possess. And it's their bravery that has opened up the gateway to yet another incredible corner of our beautiful country.
Going there to see my father. I'm going there, no more to I'm going there to see my mother.
Ta means horse and Wang means chosen, the chosen horse. And the horse that we've chosen for this journey has been holding up really well. This side of our country has always been an elusive mystery for most of us. But today, we get to unravel a small part of it with the Yesdi adventure. Welcome to Tawang.
You feel, and I'll be standing next to you.
And we're telling you stories from this side of the country that you've likely never heard before, like the Chakzam Bridge.
Nothing's what it seems, girl. You have the wings to fly.
This Iron Link Bridge is almost 7 centuries old, and in its 700 years of existence, it has been critical in connecting the natives of Mongto to the rest of Tawang. In fact, it was so important back in the day that during the Indo-China War, artillery shells were dropped right there in an effort to destroy it. But they failed, because ingenuity will always stand the test of time. The stories that Tawang can tell you will transport you back in time, to a different world or even to your different self. And next we headed to a place that connects to a different realm. This lake is what they say connects the world to the mystical realm of spirits. It's called the Crystal Grotto, and this lake is the gateway. And reaching here almost took my spirit away. We've got the first snowfall in the last month or so, fresh and cold, and the narrow road didn't make it any easier. But thanks to the Yesdi adventure, I made it through without a fall. If only more people knew about the stories, the landscapes, the mysteries tucked away in this part of our country. A part that I wouldn't hesitate to say is one of the prettiest and definitely the most intriguing. And I was fortunate enough to unravel it kilometre by kilometre. The most extraordinary stories are written not by ink, but by the tread of tires on roads less travelled. This was less of a journey and more a series of stories that tie together what we know as Tawang.
I'm alive, only follow one rule, never stop. Blood, sweat, and a couple teardrops. Now I finally made it to the mountaintop. Crown. I'm a king. Y'all don't even know what that means. A legacy is more than having names. Royalty is accomplishing your dreams. Crown.
And on the next episode of Uncharted, we are heading south.